So guys, we are about to arrive to our speedboat.
I don't know if you guys can see, but that boat says Naomi Nusa Penida, okay?
And you know what Naomi reminds me of? That movie, Wolf of Wall Street. In that, the girl is called Naomi and Leonardo DiCaprio buys her a whole boat or something like that. So now we are in a little boat which is going to take us to the snorkeling destination. It is no. I just got done with snorkeling and it was not as good as the one that I went in Thailand, because in Thailand the speedboat went in the middle of the ocean and we got off and we could see the beautiful turquoise ocean with the coral reefs and a lot of various types of fish. Here there were like only tiger fish and some other fish. So I mean it is very pretty and all of that, but the Thailand snorkeling was better. I just saw an extremely bunch of hot people on that speedboat and they're waving at me. Guys, there are such hot guys on that speedboat. Oh my god. The camera isn't doing justice to how turquoise the water is. It really isn't. Let's try some local ice cream. The ice cream is nice and creamy and thick, and I think Bali is kind of known for ice cream because I've been seeing a lot of gelato ice cream shops everywhere. Their quality of ice cream is top notch.
धूप से निकल के छाँव से उतर के हम मिले जहाँ पर लम्हा थम गया.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna get copyrighted, guys. But this is what I'm having for lunch. So this is their local dish, which is nasi goreng, and we also have some orange juice. And their oranges are different from ours. Like their oranges have a hint of a flower. I don't know which flower, but it tastes so good. Every time you Pinterest or Google for Bali and you see pretty pictures, the pretty pictures are taken over here. I finally found that spot, guys. I literally remember seeing a Pinterest picture that looks like this. But the reality of actually coming to Bali is the fact that we have no idea how to get there. Like, it's pretty and all, but then how do we get there? One thing about these touristy spots is that people come here extremely dressed up. All those Pinterestish pictures that you see of girls online, they've dressed up to come to these scenic spots. Which is fine because you're on vacation, obviously you will dress up to go to scenic spots, but like the way they dress up is like it's for Pinterest. They've come for taking pictures for Pinterest. They've not come as a holiday or sightseeing. They've actually come to take pictures for Pinterest. One thing that is almost unbelievable about Bali is the fact that there is traffic here. Yeah. Can you guys believe it? Even in Ubud, even in Seminyak, there's traffic. Like, I thought once we leave India, there'll be no traffic at all. It's shocking. Last night, I did a bit of shopping in Bali and I would like to give you guys a haul. You know, one sad thing about shopping in Bali, especially like the popular areas that you go to, the prices are extremely high because they are tourist prices. They're not like local prices. You feel like you're shopping in an expensive store where they have marked up the prices according to what the tourists will pay. So I didn't do a lot of shopping, but whatever I shopped, I'm going to show you guys here. So first things first, we have this sandal, and what I love about it is these shells that it has on the anklet. Next up we have this tote bag, and I love it because it has like this crochet detail all over it. Wow. Next up we have these palazzo pants, and it is this beautiful burnt orange color, and it also has these pockets in the corners. I love the way it just has this ombre effect all over it, you know. You know, one thing about Bali shopping is all the colors that they use in their clothes and all are like all earthy colors. So we have another earthy looking top. You know, if you think about it, I almost bought an entire outfit because this top, okay, with these pants and these shoes, it's like a whole ass outfit. And of course, this bag. In fact, this is going to be my outfit of the day, guys. I bought this hairpin which has this little shell on top, and the whole thing is made out of what is that? Resin. It's made out of resin, and this is a real shell. So it's so cute. I got this for 1 lakh Indonesia rupiah, which is about 500 rupees, I guess, which is fine for like a hairpin which has a shell on top. I think it's really creative and cute, so I got it. And last but not the least, I got this tank top. I've already worn this once when I went for the day of the snorkeling. So it says Surf Bali, and it's just so cute, and it's so nice and breezy and airy. So yesterday we were shopping at this street which is right next to our hotel, okay? And the prices were like phenomenal, like extremely expensive for like most basic ass things, like very expensive rates, okay? But here we've come to a mall which is called the Krishna Ole Ole Mall, and you get the exact same things for a much cheaper rate, a much more reasonable rate. I mean, just look at this necklace, guys. You know how much this is? This is just 150 rupees. Come on. It's gorgeous. This one is also very stunning. Like, I literally want to buy all of them. This is what the mall looks like. And this is a great place for gifting as well. Like, if you want to get something for your friends and family back home, this is like a very good place to come for shopping, even for them. I bought this little ashtray for my best friend. I've seen these diffusers all over Bali. So basically you just light a candle over here, apply the oil over here, and then the aromatic oil just spreads over the entire room. They have a bunch of refills as well. And they have like so many different flavors of the aromatic oil. They have an entire aisle over here which has only bath products like body scrubs and body lotions and all of that. I'm gonna buy like a billion of them. This smells so good, guys. And the prices are really reasonable too, because this entire tub of body butter scrub, you'll get it for like 250 rupees, which I think is a really good deal. In fact, it's like a steal, guys. And another thing is you get everything here, guys. Like, this is a little tray with a mother of pearl over here. It's just so perfect for gifting for like family. And you get everything here, guys. Like, look at this little mother of pearl tissue box. I bought one of them for my room. It's like perfect for gifting. It's also perfect for yourself if you want like a fancy looking tissue box. Even bags, souvenirs, tops and all of that, even hats, you can just buy them here because they're so much more cheaper than the other stores. I mean, just look at this bag, guys. It's just so pretty, and I love this little detail that they've added to the crochet bag. Also, guys, I can't even stress enough on how sweet the locals here are. Like, I am vlogging in a mall, okay? And not once has anybody told me, stop vlogging, you can't shoot here. Back in India, I just can't vlog because the staff keeps telling me, ma'am, you cannot record here. Like, the people here are just so sweet. They're so hospitable. We are back in our hotel room and now we're going out for lunch. But before that, I wanted to quickly show you guys what I bought today. First things first, I bought this necklace, okay? It's just so pretty. It goes with my outfit. Then I bought this top. I'm going to cut it off, by the way. I don't like the sleeve, so I'm just gonna like cut it later on. It's so cute. I love the color. I got this tissue box which is made out of mother of pearl. Then I got this little turtle, but this is not for me, it's for my friend. I got this top, and then I got another top, and then I got this necklace. Then I got this little necklace which has shells all over it, which is literally 50 rupees, guys. This was 50 rupees. Can you guys believe it? I got this little diffuser for my room. So you light up a candle and then you put the essential oils on top. Then I got a bunch of essential oils to fill it up. And last but not the least, I bought 3 body butters because they just smell so good. I think this particular brand is really good. So I got one in banana flavor, chocolate flavor and coconut flavor. Wow! This is called real Bali shopping, guys. Don't go to the tourist traps. Do not go for shopping in those streets which are right outside the hotel rooms. Go to this mall. It's called the Krishna Ole Ole Bali Mall. And you get such amazing things for such cheap prices. I am mind blown. I feel like I should have bought more things, you know. Can we go back there? It was just so good.